Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're gonna go boating and fishing. We collected the worms, which is bait for fish. So today we're in the countryside of Latvia in
Ezers. It's Latvia.
Okay. So I'm gonna see you out on the boat. The water is cold. So we're on the lake, and this lake actually has 8 islands over here. So I can only like whisper while catching the fish or whatever, but it's gonna be awesome. So see you in the time lapse. Lowering the anchor. I hope this will work. So the first fish I caught today took me actually a long time. It's really deep in. Like,
It's
legit.
bleeding.
Like, legit deep in. So yeah, I'm just gonna
Here,
help.
I'll show you too. Here, right? Yeah,
Stay still. Fishy, stay still.
it's bleeding.
There.
I'm watching you. Step, squish.
So thank you for watching, guys. That was the fishing video. So we're gonna do a football video or whatever video. I really don't know. So yeah.